The homeowner's vision is to create a vibrant home with the use of colors and different geometrical shapes. Hello, this is Li from Free Space Intent, and this is the house I've designed. The built-in seat at the living room was designed to be round, which resembles a wheel, so the homeowner calls it her hamster wheel. We painted this display area using two contrasting colors, green and yellow, to make this area more prominent. So we painted the ceiling in stripes to bring more attention to this area. We were able to fit in an island, which is another unique feature in the house. She uses it as a food preparation area, as well as a space to serve her guests. The homeowner doesn't require a walk-in wardrobe. She prefers a more spacious look. We built a dressing nook here, which is smaller but just as efficient for her. The tiles that are used at the master bathroom were only a few of those that were shortlisted by the homeowner. We did a few mock-ups to find the right combination that works. We knocked down the walls at the kitchen and also removed the storeroom at the back of the kitchen. We were able to fit in an island and to create a bigger dining area where the homeowner can host her guests. The entrance of the bedrooms were also shifted to create a larger space for her TV in the living room. I designed this house to be playful and whimsical, and I arrived on this concept after looking at my client's mood board. And I picked up elements such as loud patterns, strong colors, and metallic accents, which I've incorporated in this house. So overall, we are very satisfied with the final design, as this is what my client and I wanted, which is to create a cheerful house.